I'm Susan. Today is week 28 of the Crossword Collage hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Designs. I missed the last one, so I'm doing this one Friday so I can get closer to when she puts out her new video. So I think I'm going to like doing this on Friday much better. So this week, since it's the last crossword collage before Christmas, I thought I would do just a little fun one. Just kind of get an idea where I want to put everything. And it's going to be a simple one. I've got these cute stickers that were gifted to me. Let's see here. I'm gonna have to cut off part of this. Hate to do that. Maybe that might be better. Got that. And then that one. Just get an idea where I want everything. So I've got that. I've got my little label thing. I've got a stocking. And I've got Santa's chair. And some of these stickers are kind of coming apart. That's okay. I will glue it down. So I hope everybody's doing great. I'm going to get this down and go from there. I hope everybody is enjoying the season if you celebrate Christmas. And I hope that you'll have a wonderful Christmas. Remember what the season is all about. So much fun getting ready for Christmas. Okay, I like that. This I do believe is going to need a little bit of help, so I'm just going to dot some glue around. I hope you saw Barbie's collage yesterday. It was so cute. Retro. I love retro. Okay. So it kind of inspired me for this one. Get our bells here. How cute. I think I'm going to do this one down here. Alright. I think Santa's stuck down pretty well. Now, let's get all of our little pieces here, and I think one just flew down into the floor. Just add that there. Well, I can't see exactly what flew down there, so I don't know what it is. Must not have been too important. I think I'm going to give Santa this book, and I am going to add that. And I'm just going to add that little piece there. Is pretty. And maybe this piece there because it's pretty. And what did I do with my stocking? I'll find somewhere to place that. Hey, that one's together. Cute. Now, I've lost the stocking. There it is. And I think we'll just put it there. And add this. And I love it. The only thing missing is gold splatters. I finally got my gift wrap today. So that's good. It's a lot more work than you'd think it would be. Okay. Everything's better with gold splatters. All right then. Short, simple, but I love it. So I hope everybody will have a wonderful Christmas. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful Christmas. I know I said that a while ago, but it's worth repeating. And y'all take care. Remember that Jesus loves you and so do I. So until next time, bye y'all.